A pop-up drink stand should offer oat milk, almond milk, soy milk, and coconut milk to cover the most common dietary needs and taste preferences of customers. Oat milk has become the top choice for coffee and tea stands because it froths up nicely and has a creamy texture that mimics dairy really well, so it works great in lattes and blended drinks. Almond milk is popular because it is lighter and lower in calories, and a lot of people just like the slightly nutty taste it adds. Soy milk is important to have because it is one of the few plant milks with enough protein to actually froth like real dairy, which surprises a lot of people who think oat milk is the only option for that. Coconut milk gives drinks a tropical, rich flavor and works especially well in fruity or dessert-style drinks. Something not many people realize is that oat milk can curdle in very acidic drinks like some fruit teas or espresso with citrus, so it is not always the safe default everyone assumes it is. Testing each milk with your actual menu items before launch day can save you from serving something that looks separated or clumpy to a customer. One common mistake is only offering one alternative milk and assuming it covers everyone's needs, when in reality, allergies, lactose intolerance, and personal taste all point in different directions, so having at least 2 or 3 options is a much safer bet. Another thing to watch for is cross-contamination with dairy equipment, since even a tiny bit of regular milk residue can cause a real reaction for someone with a dairy allergy, so keeping separate pitchers and steam ones is worth the extra effort. Pricing is another sneaky issue because oat and almond milk often cost more than dairy, and forgetting to adjust your pricing can quietly eat into your profit margin over time. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.